For Learn Outcome 1, to test my project logic, I created a separate pump code and tested it using JUnit. The test cases covered dry, moist, and wet conditions. Each test checked if the system correctly decided whether to turn the pump on or off based on the moisture level. This confirms my project logic works under all expected conditions. A voltmeter was also used to verify the voltage received from the moisture sensor. For Learn Objective 2, I use Firmata4j API to control the groove board. I use IO device, get pin, set mode, and set value to interact with the pump, LED, and moisture sensor. I also use the get I2C device method to control the OLED screen. For data visualization, I use the JFreeChart API to generate a live graph of voltage over time. For Learn Objective 3, to store the sensor readings, I used an array list double in the moisture monitor class. Each voltage reading is added in the list every 2 seconds. This allowed me to track changes over time and visualize them on the live graph. For Learn Objective 4, my project follows an event-driven structure using a timer task that executes every 2 seconds. This acts like a looped event system that monitors the environment continuously. Inside the moisture monitor class, I use conditional statements to handle different soil states: dry, moist, and wet. These conditional statements represent a state machine where the system transitions between dry, turn pump and LD on, moist, turn pump and LD on, wet, turn pump and LD off. This event state's behavior let the code react to sensor input automatically without any button or user input. In Learn Objective 5, my project uses object-oriented programming through classes like LED controller, pump code, and moisture monitor. Each class encapsulates a specific function, such as controlling hardware or managing logic. For example, LED controller abstracts LED logic using turn on and turn off methods. Over time, I improved my code by separating logic into reusable classes, simplifying the main code, and making the code easier to test. I also enhanced my design with JUnit testing, live charting, and better display output on the OLED.